Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website from Ethureum. You can earn Ethureum from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just put your Ethereum wallet address and solve the captcha. You can earn 100 Satoshi of Ethereum every 5 minutes. This is very easy. Just put your wallet address. Okay, go to URL Faucet Pay, copy your Ethereum wallet address from here. Okay, come here, paste in here, just click I'm not robot, solve this captcha. Okay, this captcha is a little bit easy. After 10 seconds the captcha is available for you, and you can solve the captcha. Okay, just solve the captcha. What is this? Okay, this is all the captcha. Just click, this captcha is solved. Just click claim Ethureum. Okay, this is very easy, and you can see you claim your Ethureum. Okay, security check failed. Okay, I again solve the captcha. Sometimes this one didn't work because of the internet problems on about that. I solved the captcha again. Okay, this one is the captcha. Just click. Okay, you can see this one. You claim 1.5 time per in the last 24 hours. You can claim 5 time. Okay, every 24 hours, not much more. Okay, and you can see in the first time didn't I receive. Right now I receive my Ethureum. Okay, they send me my Ethureum to Faucet Pay, but they took time to come to Faucet Pay. Okay, this website little bit took time to come to Faucet Pay. Right now didn't show me. After showing, I make for you. Okay, I pause the video after showing the withdrawal. Okay, this website pay 100%. Okay, 5 time claim per day. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. But they took time. Okay, took time, maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 5 minutes, maybe sometimes, because the traffic of this website is very high. Okay, and you can claim 5 times. Okay, they pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. This website pay 100%. Okay, bye bye.